gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Nubia Z60 Ultra just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate, full screen display, flagship camera setup, flagship processor, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the Nubia Z60 Ultra, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's begin with the design of the Nubia Z60 Ultra, particularly the Starry Sky Collector Edition version. The back of the phone is inspired by Van Gogh's famous painting, Starry Night. Van Gogh was a renowned artist, he's a famous artist, and this design grows from his masterpiece, giving the phone a unique and artistic touch. The back creates a 3D-like feel when touched, adding to its distinctive appeal. The overall look is impressive. The phone features a metal frame, and when viewed from the sides, it has a slight curve similar to an iPhone. Adding to its sleek appearance, looking at the camera area, it's quite raised, with the main camera marked by a red circle. The primary camera is for regular shots, and there is a special human eye portrait camera, a common feature in the Nubia Z series. On the right side, there is a periscope camera. Additionally, there is a quick start slider button designed by humanistic street photography mode, and it's customizable. The power buttons stand out in red color, creating a nice contrast. For security, there is a under the display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor position is smartly placed, making it easily reachable with just one hand. When you look at the front of the phone, it's quite unique because it has a full screen display. The front camera is under the display, a feature that's been seen before in Nubia's phone. This time, they have used the 5th generation flexible under the screen photography technology, and the display is made using the BOE luminescent Q9 Plus material. The display shows really natural color, and it can reach up to 1500 nits in local brightness. It has a resolution of 1116 by 2840 pixels and a pixel density of 400 pixels per inch, which gives it a sharp look. For eye protection, it has a high frequency 2160 Hz PWM dimming feature. When you look at the phone from the side, the front camera is slightly visible, but it's much better hidden compared to the previous generation. If you want to see the front camera, you can adjust its brightness in the setting to make it visible. But even then, depending on the angle you hold the phone, it might still be slightly noticeable. Overall, the screen looks great. Top bezels are thin, but the bottom bezels is bit larger. The phone has a IP68 water and dust resistant rating, but I would recommend using the mostly in rainy condition. Avoid submerge in the water, as the water damage won't be covered under the warranty. This time, the Nubia Z60 Ultra has 3 main cameras. There is a 50 megapixel 35mm humanistic lens and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with half-inch sensor size using the OV64B sensor, and the 50 megapixel 18mm main camera. The main thing here is the main sensor on the phone is an ultra wide, and it's got a sensor size of 1 by 1.54 inch. All 3 cameras have optical image stabilization support, which is why the camera module is quite large. If it were smaller, not all cameras could have OIS. This time there are cameras based on 18mm, 35mm and 85mm concept. There are new features too. All 3 cameras have the ability to record the 4K video at 120 fps, which is big deal. Additionally, there is a function for video pre-recording available in this version. So, before you press the video record button, you will get a 20-second pre-record video. This feature only works if you haven't pressed the recording button on the time. It's like you already have a bit of video before hitting record. The function is common in action cameras, and it's a practical. There are other features too, like when you point the camera at the food, it automatically triggers a food filter for the better photos.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Let's talk about the performance of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor paired with the UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. It achieves a Antutu score of up to 2.16 million and a stability of 78.5% in 3D Mark stress test. In a heavy game test, playing at 60 frames per second for 30 minutes, it average frame rate of 59.6 FPS. There are plenty of customization features available too. You can adjust the touch sampling rate and frame rate, choosing different performance mode, and even tweak GPU setting for gaming optimization. It's not just about the camera phone, the Nubia Z60 Ultra also focus on performance too. The phone looks quite big because it houses a huge 6000 mAh battery. After using the phone for about 2 hours with medium to heavy usage, the battery still remains at around 85%. The Nubia Z60 Ultra runs on MyOS 14, which is based on Android 14, offering a numerous features without any add filter bloatware. There are many tiny useful features too. As for the price, the base variant globally starts at $599. In conclusion, the phone's display is superb, giving you a top-notch full-screen experience. Its performance matches the flagship level phone, and the camera setup is also top tier. The only downside might be weight due to its huge battery. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech video. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.